Hello and welcome to Adult Transmission. Today we'll be looking at how to get soil data online. So if you have an analysis or any data that has to do with soil, today's video is for you. So we're going to be looking at how to download those details and process them on ArcGIS, alright? So to do that, first and foremost, we will get most of this data at FOA. So you just search FOA, which stands for Food and Agricultural Organization. All the data we get from the global data. So we will search FOA soil data, and you click on Harmonize World Soil Data, account 1, 2, 3. If you click on this, you get where we have to navigate to soil maps and database. Then we'll go to Harmon. So the best thing is to click on the Harmonize World Soil Data. So when we're going to have the data web and we have the soil maps and data, if we had went through the well, we have to also select to each here. So in shortcut, we go for the soil map and the portal, soil portal /data/hub, and either way go for the database and the Harmonize. So we can download down Harmonize World so this HWST 2000 were available. The final one used to be 1.2 version, but we have 2.0 now available. Alright? So once we've reached the first thing, you click on this one and you click and then we start downloading. We can see the name of our HSD file. So let's open to royalties and then we'll extract. So as it is with my culture, let's start ArcGIS. So I'm starting ArcGIS. As it is with my culture, what I do basically was first copying the data to let's cut it to where my work folder is. So this is my work folder. I'm going to drop it here. To paste it here. Alright, so once the ArcGIS is done on, we will now start working. Alright, so now ArcGIS is turned on. So you just click on the add button and then you navigate to the folder. So this is the folder which is WD2, and then you go on this raster because the file format is a raster. So you click on add. Now most of the times it's going to load, but now it has already loaded before. So this is the entire soil of the whole world. This is Africa. This is North America, Europe, Asia, and every part of the world. Alright, so basically now this is the soil data. The next we can do here is to bring the spatial extent where we want to extract to work. So I'm just going to click here and bring in a shape file. So let's okay, let's bring it a shape file. Or this not layer. So let me zoom into the spatial extent so we can see. So this is what I want for the area, alright? So I'm going to just go and search for clip, and I'm going to search for clip. I'm going to click search. Now I'm going to be looking at this clip here, the one from data management, because it's so we cut out a portion of a raster. So I'm going to click on it. So in clipping, you need three things: input, extent, output. Your input is what you want to clip, which is this HWSD. Your output is Keygrow extension. Then you check, use this input feature for clipping geometry. So your output is where you want it safe, alright? So you can save it also as your database or anything, but I want to put it inside this folder. And then I'm going to just say Keygrow. My O is having an issue, so I'm going to bring out my on-screen keyboard. So, and I'm going to click on OK. So it's processing, it's supposed to do, but then let's try it again so that we don't just wait in vain. So I'm going to click on this again. Bring this as input. Bring this as output extent. I think it has just done, so let's go check it out. So this is what is giving us as our extent from here. So let's do something. Let's quickly go to properties and do some reclassification. So under symbology, go to classified, and then let's say we're classifying into basic for 5 class, and though I know it's not up to, but then let's just say we're classifying on the basis of 5 class. So it's telling us that we have 2 types of soil in this area, alright? However, it didn't just cut properly to cover our study area because it's a raster. It's cut based on the raster, but at least it's covered almost all the percentage of the whole thing. So we have the raster as our soil. So basically, if you have any study area across the globe, all you need to do is to get this raster, and then you're good to go. All right. So if you learned something from this video, so you don't forget to just give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because the more we see more subscribers, it gives us the courage, gives us that encouragement to keep on making videos. So I will see you in the next video. Don't go anywhere.